Hey guys, Samantha Jane Wilson here. Come hang with me today as I show you an easy makeup application. So the first step obviously is always your primer. This is the Blur Primer. So this is a silicone-based primer that is going to help the makeup sit on top of the primer instead of seeping into your fine lines, pores, and wrinkles. Then we're going to be using our number one CC cream. I'm using the color light to medium, and I don't know why, but I always use my hand as like the palette, and I will put the CC cream onto my hand, spray the brush with our setting spray just to wet it to evenly distribute the product, and then I'll be tapping it all over my face to give me that blank canvas because now I'll be using our Midnight Touch liquid bronzer on my cheekbones, the top of my forehead, down the sides of my nose, and I like to now apply it around the outer edges of my lips just to really plump out those lips. When I'm bouncing the brush on the cheeks, I like to start at the base of my hairline because that's where you're going to be tapping the most product and spreading it out. Then I'll go down the sides of my nose, around those outer edges of my lips, and then just blending it into my forehead just to give the appearance of a smaller forehead. Next up, Midnight Touch Blush on the apples of your cheeks. Just tapping it out with a brush, spreading out the product. Then Desert Sands. This is a well-loved palette by me. And today I'll be using a shimmery dark bronze color on the outer edges of my eyes. Tapping it on. A little bit goes a long way. You can always add more. It's like a half moon shape on the outer edge of my eyes. Next up is like a tan matte color that I'm tapping on the inner corners of my eye and my lid where I haven't applied that dark bronze color, just to blend both of the colors in together. Taking a dark brown color, dusting it through the bottom lower lash line. Now for the brow bone. It's like a bone color that I'm using just to highlight underneath my brow and to blend all the colors together. Deep brown eyeliner. I like to pull my eyelid taut because our eyelid is very, not flimsy, but it moves around a lot. So just pull it tight so you can evenly spread that liner. And this liner is like a clay liner that just glides on super easy. Only putting it on my upper lid, not my lower, because then I'll be going in with our nude liner. And I'm going to be putting that in my waterline. And when you use a nude eyeliner in your waterline, you're making your eyes look a little larger than what they are. Concealer, just to highlight and brighten underneath my eyes and to clean up any of the eyeshadow. With all of your makeup application, you always want to go into an upward motion because that is a lifting look. Because as we age, everything starts to go down. So with the makeup, we want everything to go up. The beauty of aging, right? If you saw, I sprayed my brush again with the setting spray just to evenly distribute the concealer. Just thins it out This is a very fine setting powder, and I like to put it underneath my eyes, and this does not settle into fine lines or creases. It just gives this nice blurred out look. So I'll go underneath my eyes and then just tap it over the Midnight Touch bronzer and blush that I used, because then I'll be using powder. Powder, bronzer, blush, and highlighter. And I love this 3-in-1 palette because it has a shimmer look. Do you see that? So first for the bronzer, then we'll go in with the blush, and the highlighter. I love using a fan brush for the highlighter because it really just doesn't overpower the highlight look, but gives it a beautiful sheen finish. Infinilash mascara. Now, this mascara is a wetter formula, but I love it because it really, really helps define those lashes. So, the one side of the brush is a really, really short bristle side, and I like to take that and go into the base of my lash line and then kind of blink it on while rolling the brush off. So, I'll do that for both sides. And then when I put the second layer of mascara on, I will go with the longer side of the Infinilash brush and go mid lash and roll that off the tips. And that will help with the length. Loving this deep black mascara look. Last step is the lips. Burgundy, not only is this a lip liner, this is also an eyeliner. So I'll take the burgundy lip liner, rub it out a little bit, and then I'll be applying Red Love matte liquid lipstick. And let me tell you, this matte liquid lipstick lasts all day long. But to top it off, back with that shadow palette that I used today, and take some of the gold shimmer and just tap it on the center of my lips, just really gives that extra added look. Have a great day. If you're interested in the products I use, please let me know and I will be glad to make you a shopping cart. Thanks for watching.